Having a custom page show up once you've hit submit in a form reassures the client that they have received your communication. Typically what happens is once you hit send in a form, you'll just get a tiny little thank you note, which doesn't really mean anything and doesn't confirm whether the client has actually, you have actually got the message from the client. So having a page redirected to a custom page which you've built out, which maybe offers them more insights into when you'll get back to them, maybe some deals or some sort of incentive, it just means that it's reassuring them you've got their communication and you're going to get back in touch with them. So this is how you edit a form so that once they've hit submit, it redirects them to a separate page. So in order to link forms to a separate page, what we need to do first is have our form. Now, I've actually created an internal form for our own use. So clients don't see this is just for ourselves. And this is for the Go Live checklist. So it's a series of checks that we make before any site goes live to ensure that everything's been ticked off. So has the text been proofread? Have we added SEO site descriptions? Is the site responsive? It's just a simple list for ourselves here. Now, you might have a different form, such as a contact form like so. But for our sakes, I'm going to show you the Go Live checklist here. So what we need to do, if we want to change where this is sent, what we need to do is go find our form. So in this case, I'm going to find our form, go edit and find the form. I'll then click edit. And then what we're going to do is go to post submit. Now, typically you're met with a little message, and this is actually what we started off with, but it just has, we have liftoff, which I thought would be fitting for the design, but to encourage people to use the system more, what I want to do is create an actual page for this. So you can actually set up a redirect. Now, this can go to any page on the site, or it can be an external link, a phone number, whatever it might be. But what happens is when they press submit, they are redirected to this page. So I've created a page already. So all you do is just find your page URL. So you can link this to anything in here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over and find post launch. Okay, so we've got the Go Live checklist, and the page I set up was launch Go Live checklist submit screen. So this has already been set up for me. So I'm going to click on that. I want to make sure then with storage that it's going through to my email address, which is perfect, and then hit save. And so what will happen is I'll fill this through. So I'm just going to put my details in here. I'm just going to put my name of the website. I've done all my checklists, so I've made sure these are required. So this is all going through. Click done. Yeah, this is all looking good. So I'll come through my checklist, fill it all out. And then once I've hit launch, this will then redirect me to the new page. Now, to keep it fitting in with the idea of a website launch, what I've done is I've just grabbed a video online, put it in the background. This is only for internal use, but just showing a rocket launching, as if we've just launched a new site, so add a bit more excitement to it. But this then, rather than it just being a simple thank you message for getting the site live, this is a bit more intuitive, and you can change this to whatever you want. So thank you very much for your message. We'll be in touch soon, or maybe even offer them discounts on this page. So this can be edited to however you see fit. Thank you for watching. If you'd like some help with building your Squarespace website, feel free to get in touch with us on pixelhaze.studio.